says, oh, I know what's happening. Turn this thing on and make it move. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this adorable Tyrannosaurus RC car. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And Kira is like, honestly, turn it on, make it move and do stuff, Mom. Turn it on, make it move and do stuff. So it comes with a rechargeable battery that goes inside of here, recharges through USB-A. Check this out. It lights up. So I wanted to wait until evening to play with it. This takes two AA batteries. Look at her look. She's like, am I gonna make it do the thing? Gonna make it do the thing? Oh man. It's gonna do the thing. Hold on a second. You ready? You ready? Eleanor's like, I'm not ready. It's got a good turn range. It actually goes a lot faster than I thought it would. There she goes. What's going on? What is it? What? Yeah? 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 Is it? Eleanor's like, I don't know what to do. Look out, Eleanor's gonna lose her marbles. Because Kira's going after the car. Are you chewing on it? Don't chew on it. You tell it. Tell that car, Kira. You tell it. Well, clearly it drives on the rug. And clearly, Kira approves. Do you approve of this car? She's like, yep, I approve of this car. Memphis is like, I don't know. Eleanor's a little crazy. It does go pretty fast. But if you have a dog that likes RC cars, clearly mine does. It works great inside. We approve.